Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you CT Pool Honest Review. CT Pool is promoted as a crypto mining pool and mobile or cloud mining platform that claims to let people earn cryptocurrency without owning physical mining hardware. Now, the idea is that instead of running expensive ASICs or GPUs, you either use a basic in-app miner or purchase cloud hash power, and the platform handles the mining process on your behalf. It's marketed as an easy, beginner-friendly way to participate in mining pools and earn small, steady rewards. Now, when looking at whether CT Pool is worth using here, independent sources show a mixed and cautious picture. Now, according to Trustpilot here, reviews for CT Pool are kinda split. Now, some reviews say small amounts of crypto were accredited and withdrawals worked, which suggests the platform does function as a basic at the basic level. However, based on what Trustpilot shows us here, there are also complaints about returns being far lower than expected, mining sessions stopping unexpectedly, and confusion around how rewards are calculated. Now, the overall sentiment leans towards inconsistency rather than reliability here. Now, according to Scam Advisor, the City Pool website does not appear to be outright malicious, but it carries still a cautious picture here. Now, Scam Advisor here highlights common risk signals here, like crypto-related platforms such as limited transparency about who operates the website and the inherent risk tied to cloud mining models. This doesn't confirm wrongdoing though, but it does suggest caution, especially for anyone considering paid plans here, especially if you're dealing with cryptocurrency. Now, another or a major concern that comes up repeatedly in user feedback here is the cloud mining model itself. Now, in broader crypto space, cloud mining has a long history of being unpredictable and often unprofitable for participants. So, without direct visibility into the actual mining hardware or pool operations, the earnings depend entirely on the platform's internal accounting. Some users report mention purchase hash power not activating as expected or producing rewards that feel disproportionately low compared to the cost. This experience raises concern because they make it difficult to verify whether mining power is actually being allocated and advertised. It's also worth noting that claims around high hash rates, especially when accessed through mobile apps or low cost plans, are often questioned by more experienced miners. Mining profitability typically depends on real computational power, electricity costs, and network difficulty, and market prices when a platform promises easy mining without hardware. Now, it introduces uncertainty about how sustainable or transparent the process really is. Now, if you're going to take everything together here, City Pools appears to be a real platform that people can access and use, but its value and reliability are quite unclear. The spot feedback shows both minor success and notable frustration, while Scam Advisor suggests caution rather than confidence here. Now, the biggest risk comes from unclear profitability, limited transparency, and a broader track record of cloud mining service in general here. Now, I've shown you everything that we found here. It's up to you if you want to try using it. Just remember that anything crypto related is high risk. So if you really want to use it, just remember to only spend or use what you can afford to lose. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.